God.
Before the car saw us, we've seen it.
Oh my God.
I don't know where to start from, literally, but it's a very good way to start the month. It's a very good way to start the month. So I was home last night and Derek, Demzy, D to the EMCY, the president, the LMF president, he called me. I was like, yo, babes. I was like, babes, what's up? What's going on? No, I called him. Did I call him or he called me? No. He texted me first. And he was like, I'm going to pick up my new whip. I'm going to pick up my new ride. And I want you to accompany me. I was like, oh my God, say less. Like, I'm honored to be on this. Like, you really want me to accompany you? He was like, yeah. I'm exaggerating. I didn't get to that part. But then, today will be me taking you guys through the whole day today. It's going to be an awesome day with Demzy. Reflect.
Hey, who they play? Who they small play?
Who they play?
Oh, no, they play now. Grant. No. That name is big.
Wow, this switch to me right now.
No,
Stop.
No, you can't play when you're
relax doing that too much.
No,
I'm talking about him in switching.
No, you can't play around Grant because Charlie, everything about her is big. So if you want to do something, Charlie, it better be worth it. Like, because you can't be around.
Why didn't you shave? You're going to pick your car. You know, shave.
Okay.
I wasn't even expecting this kind of dress. You're supposed to like shada.
I look at shada and wear it. I know, right?
Like some agbada or something. Is Lisa coming?
No, they are writing exams. The only person that's coming now is Kesh. I have to call nature. Can you call nature for me? Just tap on the phone and then you go to speed down. Let's go. Let's not try.
Yes, now woman now.
No man. Bro, the car that to.
We are twinning.
Oh my God. Bro,
So how you feeling?
I don't know it. I don't know, bro. Like, so many cameras on me right now. I don't know where to work.
This one pass sensational.
Hey, bro. How do you feel approaching your own ride?
This is not a ride.
That's a ride. That's a whip.
Good. That's a whip.
Hey, Charlie.
Give me this one, I beg you.
Charlie, no, throw that here away. So, as I don't want to get you, you give me a hand.
I will give you a hand. Don't hug me, leave me. Come back from Nigeria. Please do. Tell me say come back.
I missed it.
I was texting Rachel all this one.
But you never texted me. Are you guys down with your project?
Get us more right now. You can't go.
Are you guys down with it? Don't hold it, or it's to sound. You connect your phone already?
Connect to already.
I connect to this one.
So, we're at the showroom, and we're not in the showroom to ask for prizes. We're in the showroom to actually pick up the car. It's a thing of joy. Did you zoom? Zoom small. You zoomed. It's a thing of joy to know that I don't know what to say. I really don't know what to say, but I never entered showroom before. And it's a very good thing to know that my first time coming to a showroom is to come and pick up a whip, brand new whip, leather day inside. This one let me say second hand. Leather is inside. It can be what? It's only gold. So this is Endurance reporting to you from Toyota showroom, accompanying Babes to get his new whip. It's a thing of joy for me. I dey happy pass and safe. Now waka now. Now waka. He's about to take the car keys.
Two keys.
Two keys.
Yes.
This is spare key. I'll be holding one.
Yeah.
I'll be holding one here in case.
So I'm giving you two spare keys. So your keys is supposed to be here. This is yours. This is supposed to be here. So you put one picture here and the other picture.
But this guy is sweet. It's sweet. Black. So, we're going to check the car. We're going to check the car right now and get to see inside and what is inside and what not's inside, and, you know. Yeah. She said when we get back home, we should remove the rubber in the car. Remove which rubber? We're not removing any rubber. The rubber will be there till like 1 year later. Do you understand? Maybe beans. But in fact, if I...
No.
Bro, from the showroom itself, you say what?
That's crazy.
They will even give you...
Bro, yeah.
I don't know about everything.
Hi.
Just like that.
Oh, God.
Oh, God.
Oh. If I see anybody eat for this car,
Oh, by all means.
if I see any wache,
No, I'll let you that.
any jollof,
We need a jollof in, like, somewhere else.
if I see any wache or any jollof for this car inside, you are banging the door, you bang it responsibly, you sit, you close it like this. Like that. Guys, they say get car. Get car now, it means say if you get car, you're not supposed to suffer. The car has a wireless. It has a wireless space for you to charge your phone. You don't need cord. So no cord. I don't want to see anybody do cord. Space. The only place you use wire is at the back seat. Waiting God no go feed do. God don't do all for am. Waiting God no go feed do. God don't do all. It has a rooftop. I'm doing that. The roof they open. They close. The roof they open. They close. Roof they open. They close. What it is. But anyways, yeah. That's all for today. I don't want to make this long because I'll